Okay. And you just let it run 15 seconds.
It acts like he's done this a time or two.
Only a few.
He doesn't.
Pinstripe his cars. Good thing I know a good painter.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Good. So?
Doing all right. It's warmer out here than it is out there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Keep coming, Grant. You're good.
This side. Ray, get some salt for this side back there.
Got it.
It's probably good to flip that down. Oh, it's not flipping down?
Yeah, that's probably good right there. I think it tilts.
You want to start my truck?
Good battery.
Now we're going to follow you guys over there too.
Oh, great. So you're telling me I shouldn't make any running around Cheyenne?
We have casinos, not whorehouses.
We wouldn't be doing none of that anyway.
We do have strip clubs, but
We do have to make one stop at a car dealership. Oh, Jordan, I've got another battery in the truck actually. You can just put it back in the back. There's a battery in the back. We can just put that one out.
Red is negative, right?
yes.
No. Good. Alright, here we go again.
Yes, he asked if red is negative.
I'm the comedic relief on all the videos.
But you need to download that CapCut and try it.
I will. I'll download it on the way home.
You don't want it up a little bit further so it's not hanging so far over the back?
Nope, I want it right there. I want both of my wheels centered on these pockets here, so I can get them strapped down nice. Oh, is it too low? It is too low.
Wait. Let me get a video of you climbing out the window.
I ain't climbing out the window.
We'll roll you forward and we'll push it backwards.
You need to do some more. Like 2 inches left on this side.
Give me just a second, we'll pull you forward a little more. Jordan down, I'll push him. Yeah. And that's what you got your clutch in? Yep. Anymore? Well, I'm about out of winch room from where I was hooked. It was going too angry. Let's see if I can get it hooked somewhere.
We can find where Alex is and have him help push.
Well, we might have to. We'll see. Can you run this for me? That's good. That's good.
It's like a controller. It's like a real life Nintendo.
A real life Nintendo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes forever to earn money and stuff on TikTok, and when you do, it's pennies. And doing this, you probably ought to just jump straight over to YouTube, and you can share the videos from YouTube to TikTok, but you have to remove the watermark from TikTok to YouTube.
And you can do that with CapCut?
I don't know. I have another app that I was just hearing about the other day
Watch your head.
for removing the TikTok and Instagram.
Little more. Okay, Ray, why don't you
It's
reel
about
these?
ready to pop off of there. Oh, like that.
Oh, we need like quarter inch.
Are you kidding? Okay.
You got your clutch in? Yeah. Okay, you can go ahead and get out. No, that's okay. I'm gonna climb in there.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Okay, go for it.
Not even like the Dukes.
Now we gotta get it to the back and then square that wheel is over this pocket.
Over this one? Okay. So push it backwards a little bit. Did you do your Wheaties this morning, right?
No.
Oh, me neither.
Ask him, is your clutch pushed in? Ask him, is your clutch pushed in? You should have asked like he did.
Tell me when.
That should be good.
Is that okay right there? Yes, great.
Yeah, I kicked it out of the way and I couldn't get it to slide back. So.
Sitting under the tire.
Yeah, listen tight.
You're not doing flatbed or
No,
gravel
no.
or
The
anything.
company I do does have a flatbed division.
Okay.
I got a screwed up shoulder. I couldn't throw straps and tarps or anything, so.
I heard a story one time about a flatbedder who was sitting at a truck stop one time, and he was parked by a bunch of reefers, and one guy with a reefer, every time his fired up, he was just making awful noise. He's trying to sleep, he's on his break, he can't get over it. So he pulls a vice grip out of his tool bag. He knows the vice grip's a fuel line on the reefer to shut it down. Are you kidding?
I was at a rest area one time, and this guy in a camper came holding up next to a truck for 3 or 4 times. He knows the reefer. And the guy kept getting out of his camper, shutting off the reefer. Finally, there was a sheriff that just happened to be coming in patrolling it, caught him doing that. He got a hold of the guy. I was just sitting there in my truck with my window rolled down, and I heard him say, "You can't be doing that. You're messing with interstate commerce, and this is a federal crime.
Yeah.
If you do it one more time, I'm going to arrest you. You're going to be going to prison for a very long
Yeah.
time."
That's a lot of money that you're messing with.
Yeah.
Well, you just get the shovel, Ray. It's right here on the porch. It's on the deck.
That's what's wrong right in here.
No, it's in the front room in there.
No.
On his blanket.
On his blanket?
Yep. I didn't want it dripping all over the wooden floor.
Yeah, I gotta remember to grab some keys. Did we already grab them?
No, I have them in my pocket.
See the dent on the right side there on the bumper? That's where that car hit us.
Okay, I love you. Have a nice life.